Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are reviewing textured yarns. These are Yarnspiration textured yarns. They're new ones that I haven't messed with yet. I'm so excited about this. I ordered a couple of them. I haven't really looked at the rest of them. I just went on their website, looked at different textured yarns, and grabbed a few of them because our theme for November's Happily Hooked magazine is totally textured. So I wanted to grab a couple of these. We're also going to do another one with Lion Brand yarn. I'm so excited about both of these ones. I love textured yarns, but they can be tricky to work with. So we're gonna go through it. I know this one is super textured. I haven't checked the other ones. I just went by the description on their website, so we'll find out when I open them up. But yeah, so we're gonna grab our hooks, and I'm gonna swatch them up and see what happens with them. Hi friends, when you look in the description below this video, there's going to be a link there that contains free patterns. Make sure you click that, check it out, and I'm so excited to see how you make them. Bye guys. Alright, so today we are working with the Yarnspiration textured yarns. So obviously I bought these online. I didn't go into the store to grab these because I thought it would be easier. But so we've got the Bernat blanket Breezy yarn, which you can see is pretty textured. We have the Bernat blanket twist, which is definitely textured compared to the regular Bernat blanket yarn. And then we have the Karen Simply Soft Speckled. So I thought this was going to be more textured. It is slightly different, but it looks more like they just dyed it, and it's not really a textured yarn. I mean, it's incredibly soft, so I guess that is a texture, but I thought in the pictures it looked like it was more, like had like pieces in it, kind of like tweed, but it is not the case. So we're gonna work all these up and we're gonna see how they work up. I'm kind of excited, especially for this one. I like, it kind of reminds me of Sherpa material, so we're gonna I'll start with this one and then we'll go down from textures and see what we come up with. Alright, so the Yarnspiration Bernat Blanket Breezy yarn, let's see, this one, it's in the color Tickle Pink, it's machine wash and dryable, recommends a 5mm hook, it's considered a medium weight yarn, which I like that they said that, because a lot of times these yarns that are textured like this, let's see if I can find the middle of it, probably not. With these yarns, it'll say that they're like a bulky or something like that, and you know they're not. And so this does look more like a 5-weight yarn, so I'm pretty excited about that. It's 100% polyester and there's 530 yards in this. I had to flip it upside down, so it is upside down when I'm pulling it out, but that's okay. So that's exciting. Let's see how it works up. So I've got my 5mm hook. We're going to make our little slip knot and we'll start our gauge swatch and see what happens. Alright, so this actually worked up pretty easily. Normally with these textured yarns, there tends to be an issue with like hook sizes and things like that as well, but this one is working fantastic. So I'm going to do a video within like the next week showing you how to work with textured yarns and how to find those stitches. So you can make sure that there's no big holes or anything like that, but this worked up really pretty. I'm excited about this one. I like this one a lot. So I'm gonna grab the Bernat blanket twist yarn and see how that one works up. Oh, as I pulled out all the yarn barf, I forgot we needed to go over the label. So this is a super bulky, just like the regular blanket yarn. Machine wash and dryable, 100% polyester, 220 yards, and this is in the color Dove. So I really like this colorway so far. It's got like the pattern for the blanket on there and everything, but I think this would make like really cute face scrubbies in like a neutral color. So let's swatch this one up. You can kind of see that it's like twisted. Let's see. it's twisted here. So it is a little bit different of a texture, but it doesn't look like it's oh, it is separate. It's 3 different strands. Look at that. They just really twisted it well. Now I'm gonna have a hole there. But let's swatch this one up. Alright, so we're just doing a little swatch on this one because this is the same as the regular blanket yarn. Like, it works the same, it doesn't split as you're crocheting with it. It's the same. So that's a little bit disappointing. I thought this was gonna be a little bit different of a texture. So this is what happens when you buy yarn online instead of squishing it. It looked so much more textured on the picture. But, I mean, it's beautiful. It's just not what I thought it was going to be. And that's the same with this Simply Soft. So this is the Speckle. This is in Snapdragon. It's a 4 acrylic, machine wash and dryable, 235 yards. They recommend a 5mm for this one. This one recommended an 8. I don't know if I said that, but it just looks like it's just dyed. It's not really textured. It just looks like they dropped juice on it. I guess. It's pretty. It's just not. This is what happens when you buy yarn online that you've never messed with. Alright, so yeah, that worked up just like the other Simply Softs that we've reviewed. So I'm not too stoked about this. It is soft, like, I guess that's considered a texture. But, I mean, my local Michaels and Joann's didn't have these specific ones in stock, so that's why I ordered them online. And we're slightly disappointed this time. I love this one though. So what I'm gonna do, let me move these out of the way. So with this one, I'm gonna record a video here in just a little bit, and we're gonna talk about working with actual textured yarns and how to crochet with them. Maybe we'll make a ball or something like that, like a little toy that we can have. So keep an eye out for that video. It should be up probably like in the next week. But yeah, we'll work on some like tips and tricks for working with textured yarns. And then this is a note, if you haven't worked with a textured yarn before and you order it online, you might get a nice textured yarn, or you might be disappointed and just get a normal yarn. So yeah, if you've worked with any of these, leave those in the comments below. If you have any yarns online, I don't care if they're textured or not, that you want me to review because you don't want the same thing to happen to you, let me know in the comments below, so that way I can order them and we can see if we're disappointed or excited. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great day. Bye guys!